are back, everybody, and we're here in downtown Canton, Ohio, known as Hall of Fame City in some circles. And we've got something really cool today. We've got something that we've talked about several times, and that is our 35mm challenge. And that is, we're going to be pitting this multi-$1,000 camera against this $30 camera. And we're going to see how they kind of stack up against each other. Now, here are the rules. This camera is 1/20th of a second, f9 with a 31mm lens. Oh, and the film speed in this right now is 400, okay? So that means on this side, what we'll do is, if you can see there, I'll turn that to about 31, and we've got 1/25th of a second, 1/125th, I should say, at f9 at ISO 400. Now, we have black and white now. I have a color roll. We've got about 15 shots of black and white left, and then we'll take these photos, and then we'll do them side by side. So there'll be one here and one here. There is a little bit of a catch, and that is it's kind of sunny out today. And speed 400 film, I'm just looking through the camera right now. It's going to be very overblown. So these first few photos are going to be super, super, super overblown unless we find sort of darker subjects. So we'll just be aware of that. And now that we've got the rules sort of set out of the way, we will go ahead and get started. So like I said, we'll take pictures of the same scene with both cameras, and then we will compare them. So let's get rolling. Luckily, we do have some cloud cover today, but I don't think we're going to get any detail at all out of the clouds. In fact, let's get a sky photo just kind of out of the way already. Like I said, these are going to be really overblown. All right, there's one. I have no idea what this stuff is going to end up looking like. None at all. It's all going to be a complete mystery to me. But that first picture is just sort of to confirm after the fact if it is in fact going to be overblown or not. Let's go see if we can go find some darker stuff. Obviously, it's noontime here in downtown Canton. You can tell it's noon because there's absolutely nobody around. Literal ghost town. I guess there's some people on the road. It's a little windy. It'll be interesting to see if the cropping in these photos are the same, because I don't think it says it's 31mm. I somehow doubt that, to be honest with you. Oh, here we go. It's hard to tell. It is hard to tell. Oh man, this is gonna be blown out so much. It's gonna be so blown out. It'll be interesting. In some ways, this is kind of like an exploration, you know what I mean? As far as whether or not I edit the photos at all, I don't think I'm going to. we'll just kind of wait and see what comes about. This is, in my opinion, kind of an interesting, you know, how old the, how age old the arguments are, both for and against, you know, digital and film. They all have their champions and detractors. In this case, the film has such a disadvantage just from the nature of the fact that we're literally relying on a Ilford Sprite II. We'll sort of be doing all the work here. I like these angles though, man. Let's get back. Completely not convinced that this is a 35mm, but maybe just the viewfinder is a lot tighter. My man got the Beastie Boys rocking over there. We always support the Beasties. That's a cool picture if it actually turns out. Studied for like a year film photography, so I did the whole thing, wrapped my own film, developed it, printed it, etc. All that jazz. So I'm not a stranger to it. I know how it works. But it's been so long since I've done anything filmic, and I've been so digital centric. Pretty much like the moment I finished that film course, that it's basically, for all arguments, it's completely alien to me. I think the last time we were here in Canton it rained. Or at least that is the Canton way. I don't think Canton likes me very much, but that's okay. It doesn't hurt my feelings. Oh, here's one of the I'll go behind you.
We'll get through.
I've gotten pictures of this beautiful thing before. Is that like a, what is that? Oh, we gotta find out. Look at this thing. That actually might be exposed correctly. Stay tuned. We won't know. But we hoping. Wipe that off again. There you go. Just look how old this building looks. It just looks ancient. Again, not even sure about the validity of this 31mm focal length here, but whatever. There you go. That's what's important right here. Guns and Loans. My favorite 80s band. I mean, you have to have, is like the gun how you get the loan. You just basically say, hey, sir, pull out your gun, die literally in traffic, pull out your gun and be like, I would like to take out a loan out of your wallet. Guys, do not, under any circumstance, commit armed robbery. 100% no good. There's a massive rain curtain to our right. I saw it when we looked down the road, but it feels like the storm is blowing away from us. So we should be safe. Oh yeah, the rain curtain is already cleared up. We're good. We're good. We're not getting drenched today. Here you go, commercial space for lease. There's the phone number if you want to find out more. Even this right here is blown out. Like it. This one here could really show off just how overblown we're being. Oh my God. My goodness. My goodness. Let's try the macro capabilities of these beautiful, beautiful cameras. Okay, well, there is none. How close can we get with this guy? All right, this is kind of beautiful, isn't it? But is it too bright? Oh my God. I'm only taking that picture for science. I mean, the urge to take a well-exposed photo. It's so hard not to. Oh yeah, like if I wanted to do this, I'm so many stops above. So many stops. I just took that photo of the sky maxed out. Delhi, Ohio has really good Rubens, by the way. Quite delicious. All right, here we go. Here's a dark corner. This might be our last photo here. On black and white land. All right. We will wind this up. One thing done. Next we have, or that was Ilford 400 black and white. This is Kodak Gold. So now we're at 200 millimeters. I'm sorry, 200 ISO. We can drop it down over here. 1, 2, 3. That's a full stop of light. Will it make a difference? I don't know. Not really. Not really. Not in any really specific way here. We've been here before. This rodeo right here, not our first. But perhaps one of our brightest. Eek. Let's see if we can get some like real color going on here. Love the door handle being taken over. Everybody always gotta be fudging looking. Almost said bad words. Almost said bad words. Look, I ain't gonna lie. Canon always got a weird vibe, man. Canton's vibe is always kind of like this, I'm gonna get mine type of outlook on life. And it's like, well, you know, if we all work together and we got ours, it'd be a better place for everybody, including you. But that is a It's an alien concept for most people. Cobra. We're about to get copyright struck from the easy listening speakers of downtown. I just have to know. Oh, now we do. If you ever wondered if they have like Hennessy cognac clothes, I know where you can buy them. For that special occasion. Oh boy. This concrete? Nope. Is the Two Scoops place closed? Closed. They will return. I think it's probably been at I have a feeling it's been closed for a while. Art. Oh, look at this building up here. I mean, that is just a building built upon the very foundations of repeating patterns while being as nondescript as possible. I mean, whoever the architect was like, you know what I like? Boxes. See if we can fill the frame with this piece of magnificence. Does Wes Anderson know that this building is here? I decided to walk down this way because I don't think I've ever set foot in this area before. But there may be reasons for that. There's not really a whole lot happening. It's too bad too, because this is definitely one of the more quaint areas of Canton, and a town that often just seems a little rough. All right, this is actually the first picture that we've taken where our camera says it is perfectly exposed. Look how cool that building looks. Not that one, that one. St. John the Baptist. That's who lived there? That's an honor. I didn't know that's what Canton was known for. All right, we are going to, oh wait, time out. What is this? What is this, like, random building thingy? I mean, is this like an old crematorium? I'm just asking for a friend. I mean, is this not sus? Super sus. I just see a really cool instance of symmetry over here. So we'll get that picture and then we'll head back. I hear that cop whooping all over the place. I don't think I have to explain myself. I'm pretty sure it explains itself. Dude, that car is still whooping. That cop knows something. GoPro battery change. It's all one way. It is. This will be a good chance to compare color here. All right, we got 9 photos left. Ooh, here's another good chance to compare color. Dude, remember action figure extravaganza? We'll definitely have to go back to that. Can we? We can. I have a strong feeling that this camera isn't winding. I just have a really strong feeling that this camera is not working as intended. There's been a couple times where I've wound it, and it makes like a sound like something is uncoiling. But maybe we'll be surprised. We're down to our last 6 photos here, people. In our trip to overexposed land today. nice because as the clouds have come in, the saturation of the colors here in Canton, which are mostly just what I would describe as brick red. They started to come out. The music selection over there is so strange. This place here, the Melange, used to be one of the best places to get pizza around here. So, of course, that's got to go. All right, we're down to our last 2 photos, it looks like. See what we can do with this water and that clock tower. Right. Interestingly, we actually can kind of do something here. And then for our last photo, just a look down the street here. And there we go. Now let's see if it actually winds up. Oh wait, it's making the wind up noise. Maybe. Here, let's sit down. Let's sit down together and do this. All right. Press this. Grab our little windy thingy here. All right, maybe, oh, it just unwound. Oh, come on. Come on, $30 thing. Did that feel like 36 photos? I don't know. Unanswerable answers, but we've got our slightly opaque all right, it's all in there. Maybe pull this up. There we go. Go like that. Get him in there. Go like that. All right. Too easy. Too easy. Put that in there. Well, we'll put that in the safety of a pocket. And there we go, guys. We just did our Canton, Ohio excursion. And we made it out alive. Well, I guess we shouldn't say that until we get to the car, huh? That poor bird. That is literally just a bird wing. There's a missing, but it doesn't matter. Let's end this on a positive note. This is obviously super definitive thing that we did today. Film versus digital. Cheap versus massively expensive. What will the results be? No clue. Will it even be entertaining? I have no idea. Will the film even come out? Probably not. But we tried. We definitely tried. And I thought it was pretty cool. So guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. As always, please like and subscribe if you could. You know, when you like, when you subscribe, when you comment down below, it makes an absolutely massive difference to a tiny channel like this. In fact, the only way that I get to grow is by having interaction. So I appreciate it when you do it. It does not go unnoticed. So thank you so much, and I will check all you guys later. Peace.